Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video we are going to walk through how to apply Subclass 858 Global Talent Visa under Distinguished Talent Stream. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, this is a permanent visa that allows you to stay in Australia permanently. Okay. And you get benefits like Medicare, and you can also sponsor your eligible relatives. And if everything goes smooth, you can even get Australian citizenship. Now we'll go through the application process, but let's understand some of the basic things. As the name suggests, global talent, that means you can be either inside or outside Australia, but not in immigration clearance, and you must have an internationally recognized record of exceptional and outstanding achievements in one of the following areas: a profession, sport, arts, academic, and research. Wow. So like something that is globally recognized. Like if you're globally recognized in one of these fields, you may be eligible for this, and but you must have a nominator with a national reputation in your area of talent, who is either an Australian citizen, an Australian permanent resident, an eligible New Zealand citizen, an Australian organization. Okay. Now, if you see the eligibility, same thing they have written, that you need a nomination. This form 1000 uh, that you have to get from them at the time of submission. For this, we'll make a different video, and you should, this requirement we already completed. You must still be prominent, but still you are like active. Okay. You should prove that you are an asset to Australian economy, and you have the ability to demonstrate yourself. Age. Okay. If you are in Australia, you can be you should have one of these. You must have one of these. Okay. But if you're outside Australia, there is no visa requirements. You must have functional English, of course, health character, and other requirements, like you must have paid your debt back to Australia, and you must not have a visa cancelled or a previous application refused. Okay. Step by step. So there are two streams. One is global talent and one is distinguished talent. So for global talent, you need to submit an expression of interest. So that will cover up in a different video. But now we'll go for this distinguished talent, where you don't need an expression of interest. Documents. Okay. Identity documents, passport, record of achievements. Now this is like huge. Results in international sporting competition, events, honors, awards, accolades, membership, speaker appointments, a lot of these things. You can go through it. I don't have to cover up. Nominator, yeah, whoever nominates you, what are they gonna do? This form definitely, and their status in Australia. Okay. And you should also get the evidence that your nominator has a national reputation in the same field as you. Okay. Right. Ability to establish yourself in Australia. Character, function, English, partner. If you have dependent, then if you have partner, then partner documents. If you have dependents, then dependent documents. Now you can apply this online. We'll go through that. Okay. And then submitting this, we will go through that. Now, one thing you need to understand, the fee is quite high, 4840, but it's okay. Now I have opened this ImmiAccount account. Here, if you go under skilled, you have this global talent visa. If you click on it, it comes. You need to accept terms and condition. Current location, wherever, let's say your current location is India, be very honest and careful. Whatever information I show here is just sample, and it's not actual. So when you do, you gotta do as per your case. Had the applicant invitation to apply for this visa, I select no. Not sure if it let me. Okay, fine. Passport details as per your case. Okay. So I'm just doing sample. You do as per your case. Gender, date of birth. I'm just putting a sample. Okay. Yeah, this is okay. Passport number, do it as per your case, all the fields. I'm just putting sample. So this is for your passport. Expiry. Typical Indian passports are valid for 10 years. So I'll just say place of issue. Check your passport. It will have that details. This is just sample, guys. So applicant have Australian visa grant number from previous application. No. Do you have national entry card? No. But if you have, definitely do. But they know that you have. Holders passport issued by government have are required to provide details of a valid nationality card. Okay. So if they are asking, let's go for it. I'm just adding sample. This varies case by case and country by country, of course. Country of issue. Place of birth. State, province. Country of birth. Relationship status. I select never married. Other name spellings. Citizens of the selected country of passport, yes. Citizen of any other country, it's not possible because India does not allow dual citizenship. Have any other passport document for travel? No. We have other identity documents. I select no. But if you have definitely health examination undertaken in past 12 months, I select no. Check all the details. The required field. Okay, so I'm sorry about that. Migrating members of are there any migrating members included in this application? I select no. He's migrating alone. Country of residence. Usual country of residence. Applicant may be required to go for a visa office for an interview. So I'll select India, New Delhi. Okay. Residential address. Select India address. Town. I select New Delhi. State. Delhi. Postal code. Contact telephone number. Home phone. Okay. Intended state of residence. I select Victoria. Postal code must be of 6 character. Wow. They have not too many format. Same as the residential address. I select yes. Authorized representative. Does the applicant authorize another person to receive correspondence? I select no. Electronic communication. I select yes. Does the applicant have family members of family unit not traveling to Australia or who are not Australian permanent resident? Definitely people have like mother, father and other things. And you should click yes and provide the details. But because of sample video, I'm selecting no. But in your actual application, definitely you do if you have. Okay. Nominator. I select individual. Then it's gonna ask the details of the individual. Of course, we have seen the nomination. So I'm just select. I'll give Peter name, Peter Smith, date of birth. Just all good. This is about the your nominator. Okay. Oh, sorry. But I'm gonna select Australia. Australian residency status. Postal address same. Okay. Wow. So many details they ask, and why shouldn't they? I'm just putting sample in our state. I'm just selecting Victoria. I don't know if it will be accepted. 4 digits. Okay, fine. Address, I'm just trying to put some sample. Contact telephone numbers. In Australia, I think it's 9 digits. I'll just put this email address. Oh, town suburb is a. I'll just select Melbourne. Address history. Give all the residential addresses applicant for the past 10 years since turning 16 years of age. Okay, but product penal certificate from all countries. Okay, that adds up 12 or more. So I'm just adding India. Okay, date from country India. Date I'll select Delhi. Oh, 6 digits. Sorry, address. It's difficult to make with sample data sometimes, guys, but I'll manage it for 6 digits. I'm sorry about that. So I'm going on next now. Travel history. In past 10 years, have any of the applicants visited any country outside the users and since turning? I select no, but generally for global talent where you are recognized globally, a lot of people have travels. So you should provide that information. Education history. I select bachelor's in science, business, technology. Completed anywhere in any study that's secondary level above. I select yes. You have to add details, qualification, course name. I just say B Tech in IT. Provide full form. Okay. I mean, if you can provide full details. Okay. Institution name. I'll just say New Delhi IT College, country, India. So if I'm not wrong, 1990, how many? Eight we had selected, right? So in India, you go at 18 years. So generally, so let's say it gone 2016 to 2020. Okay. It's accepted. Next, employment. Have they been employed in last 10 years? I select no, but if definitely in this case, like similar killer, you definitely, but the sample video. So I'm just doing no, just to show you the next screens, but definitely. Now, field of talent. This is very important. Sport. Brief discussion in information, everything it's given here. Still prominent. This is mandatory. Give a statement. Like they have given the clear question and you need to explain this in details. Okay, I'm just doing this sample, but definitely you need to provide this. If you select yes, offer of employment, it will ask more details. Expected salary. I'm just going this. Oh, that's too much. Even this is too much. This is too much. Yeah, this much is okay. Occupation and it's a code. accountant, aeroplane pilot. Okay, skill and experience. Provide full details. Okay, relevant experience, registration, licensing, membership. Provide full details. Don't do like this. Main language. So this guy is from India, so I assume Hindi. English proficiency. Has applied certain terms where the language was English. Okay. Provide full details of your course. Undertaken English test. I'm selecting no, but you should, if you have taken IELTS, definitely provide the details. Why not? Okay, I'm just for sample video, I'm selecting no, but you know what are the exams they recognize. So, uh, functioning language ability, yes, I select. Character declaration, you need to be very careful about this. Okay. Uh, Offense and other things they are asking. Okay, any kind of offense, so you need to understand it very carefully and answer. And next is going to be document upload and other things, so definitely I'm not going to go over that, but you got an information, okay, how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.